Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marissa. So today I'm gonna dye my hair again at home using Mise again, but this time instead of just the color like Hello Bobo version, I'm using the Hello Bleach, the primer box. That's what it looks like. So we have rosé in the front, and then just like the results timeline thingy. My goal today is not to like get to this like blonde color, but instead I just want to like lighten the brown that I have currently. So last time I dyed my hair using the brown Hello Bubble, and basically from like here and down it's box dyed with that, and then my roots are natural hair. But yeah, let's get right to it. As I open the box, we have the foam maker thingy. We have the developer, and then this is the hair bleach. So this is different from last time. I didn't have this last time. Hair bleach. And then we have the ampule right here. Then we have this little goodie bag that just has the little thing to protect myself with. I'm gonna put this on soon. Oh, and also the gloves are in here, I think. And then the instructions. Here are the gloves. Honestly, last time when I put this on, I don't even know if I put it on properly, so I just kind of, what did I do? I did like this. I'm gonna tie it first. Oh, and by the way, I do have a huge mirror beside me here, so if I'm looking this way, it's because I am looking in the mirror to see what I'm doing. So I think this is what I did last time. Something like this. Is this correct? Maybe? Maybe not. Well, it worked last time, so. Open solution 2, which is the developer over here, and I'm going to dump in solution 1 and 3, right? Open this up. Solution 1 first. Solution 1 is the hair bleach. So I'm gonna cut that. And then this is 3. Going to dump it in. I'm gonna close it tightly, just like so. Nice! Gently shake the bottle about 20 times in circular motion until mixed well. Okay, so I'm just gonna gently go like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So hopefully it's nicely mixed. Alright, so let's get started. So before I start, I'm just going to section off my hair to make it easier for me. I did this last time as well, so I'm just going to make it in half. I'm going to just open up my bangs like this because I don't want to accidentally like bleach my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna put it out like this. And then another tip for you guys is to apply like Vaseline over your face so that you don't stain your face as well. So I'm just gonna grab some Vaseline and then place it at the border of my hairline so that I don't stain my skin. So just like so, put it around. And then also apply it on your ears because you don't want your ears to be dyed as well. So I'm gonna just smack a lot of Vaseline onto my ear, just like so. So, putting on the gloves now. Alright, let's go. Hopefully this turns out great. Okay. 3 big pumps, 2, 3. Here we go. Then I'm gonna start on the ends of my hair, like so. A generous amount to make sure that I get every single bit of my hair. And I'm also just gonna use a comb to just brush it out to make sure that I get everything. There we go. Alright, and now that I got through my ends, I'm gonna start my roots now. So I get a lot of the product and let's start. Oh my god, there's so much product left. What? Okay. Literally. I have to say though, even if you have excess product left, I would definitely use it all in case that all the like main ingredient like bleaching or color is at the bottom of the bottle and you've missed out on it. So just make sure you apply everything from the bottle. I look really funny right now. Holy crap, there's so much product. Holy frick. This is definitely way too much product. So I'm gonna just sit here for 30 minutes and then after 30 minutes I'm gonna wash my hair with shampoo like normally, and then I'll be right back and show you guys the result after I wash my hair. So hello guys, I'm back from washing my hair. Let me show you guys what it looks like now after I've washed the color off. So right off the bat, you can tell that my hair definitely lightened, which is a good thing. But of course you can't tell exactly what color this is right now because it's still wet. So let me just dry my hair and then we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so this is my hair when it is dried. It is definitely lighter than before, which is awesome. Honestly, I can't tell how much lighter it is compared to when I used just the brown Hello Bubble hair dye. But I love this color. I like it, so that's all that matters. My hair is usually really frizzy even after I just like normally wash my hair, so I like to apply the serum from also Mise, right? Yeah. So I use a serum to just apply all over my hair, usually at the ends more. So I just do one pump and then I just like to apply it on my ends like so. And then usually I also kind of like spray this little Japanese spray in my hair. I'm not really sure where I got this from. I think maybe it was a gift, but this is what I use. And I just spray it on top in my hair like this. And then just brush through my hair again like this. So yeah, this is how my hair turned out using this box of primer from Mise. Overall, I think I did a really good job. I achieved what I wanted. Of course, there was no way that I was going to end up with like this blonde color because I started with a pretty dark color. But I achieved what I wanted, which was just lightening my hair, and that's all I wanted. I kind of just wanted a lighter brown. So now I'm just going to go style my hair a little bit and show you guys the final look. Okay, so I just finished styling my hair a little bit. I basically just styled my bangs. That's really all I need to do because I do have naturally really straight hair. Yeah, this is how my hair turned out. Unfortunately, it is dark outside right now, so I can't show you guys what it looks like outside, but I'm gonna insert a clip a few days later where I'm outside and you guys can see how different it looks in like natural lighting, because everything in here is artificial lighting, so it may look a little bit different. Honestly, probably better outside. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that it was informative, and if you guys have any more questions about how to use this type of hair dye, you guys can leave it down in the comments and I'll answer them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications to be notified when I post my next video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!